ButterflyMX is your complete property access control solution, providing a secure, convenient, and affordable way to manage access on the go. With our access control products installed at your property, residents and staff can easily receive video calls from visitors, send guests digital access codes, and open the door or gate from anywhere, which means they never have to worry about missing a visitor or delivery again. ButterflyMX is already installed at more than 10,000 properties, including those owned, managed, and developed by the most trusted names in multifamily and commercial real estate. And with more than 20,000 five-star reviews, ButterflyMX is among the highest rated systems because it simplifies the access experience from your property's front entrance to every door, gate, and elevator throughout your building. With the ButterflyMX mobile app, PIN codes, or key fobs, anyone can effortlessly navigate your entire property. ButterflyMX even integrates with the products and services your building already uses, such as your property management software, access control systems, and smart locks. From an online dashboard, you can also add and remove tenants, review entry logs, and remotely manage access permissions from a smartphone or computer. ButterflyMX, property access made simple.